Hello friends, so today I'm going to discuss few very important legal maximum which are very important for different law exams. Recently DU LLB exam is going to conduct, so it is also very important for DU LLB, CLET and other law exams where legal maximums are asked. So look at here few very important legal maximum. The first is ab initio. The meaning of ab initio is from the beginning. Okay. Actions legis इसका मतलब है लास्ट स्वीट्स. एक्टिरो इनकम्बिट ऑनस प्रोवंडी इसका मीन होता है बर्डन ऑफ प्रूफ लाइज ऑन द प्लेंटिफ. ओके. एक्टिरो इनकम्बिट ऑनस प्रोवेंडी. एक्टस नेमिनी फैक्टिस इंजरियम इसका मीन है द एक्ट ऑफ लॉ डज नो वन रॉन्ग. ओके. तो याद रखना एक्टस नेमिनी फैक्टिस इंजरियम मीन्स द एक्ट ऑफ लॉ डज नो वन रॉन्ग. Another is ad hoc. Ad hoc means for this purpose. Ad infinitum. Ad infinitum means forever without limit to infinity. Amicus curiae, a friend of God, which is a very important legal maximum. So you have to remember all of you this. Amicus curiae, a friend of God. Ad infinitum, forever without limit to infinity. Arbitrum is judicium means an award is a judgment. So you have to remember this important legal maximum. Arbitrium is judicium, an award is a judgment. Assentimentum mutual means assentimentum means the meeting of mind, mutual assents. Okay. Meeting of mind or mutual assents means का जो मतलब होता है एसिंटोमेंटियम का मीन यही होता है. ऑडी अल्टेरम पार्टेम का मीन क्या होता है हियर द अदर साइड. ऑडी अल्टेरम पार्टेम मीन्स हियर द अदर साइड. अल्वा रिजिस किंग्स कोर्ट. ओके. अल्वा रेजिस रिमेंबर इट. बोनाफाइड सिंसियर इन गुड फेथ. बोनी जुडिशियस लाइट्स डिरीमेस इस्ट इसका मीन क्या है बोनी जुडिशियस लाइट्स डिरीमेट इज इट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ अ गुड जस्ट टू प्रिवेंट लिटिगेशन. तो टू रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ यू दिस इम्पॉर्टेंट लीगल मैक्सिमम. बोनी जुडिशियस लाइट्स डिरीमेस इस्ट. ओके. कैस्ट्यूर विला ब्रेवे इसका मीन है लेट द रिट बी क्वेस्ट. ओके. कैबेट इम्पुटर मीन्स लेट द परचेजर बी वेयर. Caveat vendor let the seller. Vendor means all of know vendor seller, and imputer means say buyer or okay. तो remember it. Let the purchaser beware. Conscious unanimous or general consent. Contra to contrary. Contra bonus mos against good moral. Contract ist quasi actus contra actum. A contract is an act of it where against an act. Okay. Contracts ist quasi actus contra actum. Corpus body. Corpus delicti the body gist of crime. Crimen trahit personam. Crime carries the person. Okay. Remember it. Crimen trahit personam. The crime carries the person. Custos morum. Occasion of morals. Did I in time from day to day. De facto in fact. Dies Dominicus non is juridicus. Sunday is not a day in law. Dies Dominicus non is juridicus. Dominium. E incumbit probito qui. The honors of providing a fact rest upon the man. Okay. Ex facio on the fact of it. Facitum something which is to be done. Factum an act or dead. Fied servanda is good faith is to be preserved. Fied servanda is good faith is to be preserved. Fraudus et celere freedom is fraud to conceal a fraud. Okay. Frauds ist celere freedom. ID is that is in camera, in private, in essence, in existent, in omnibus, in every respect, in terrarum, as a warning or deterrent, indica, mark, sign, inter alia, amongst other things, inter arma, lex silent, in bar law or silent. Okay, in bar law or silent means inter arma, lex silent. Just is lex cuso. Such is the law speaking, divining. Cultus. To swear is to call God to witness and is an act of divine worship. Use a right that is recognized in law. Non decipitor quid ist equity justice to be denied to no one. Okay. Non decipitor qui suit se decipi justice to be denied to no one. Lex aliquando secutor equuntum means law sometimes follow equity. Okay. Lex est judicum tutissimus doctor means law is the safest guide for judge. Lex punit mendicium, law punishes falsehood. Major continent in same minus a greater content the less means ira guilty state of mind. Mentiri ist contra mentum ire means to lie in act against mind. Nemo dep is judge in proparia cause no one can be judge in his own case. Nexus connection nisi unless. Non-constant, it is not certain. Per delictum equal fault. Post-mortem after dead. Public juris or public right prima facie on the face of it. Rex quod injustus est France non-protest. The king cannot do what it is unjust to king के लिए है. Rex quod injustus est face not protest. Rex non potest picere. King can do no wrong. Rex non protect vicar. Rex non coma moritur. King never dies. Okay. State do not delete. Let it stand. Set sub silento means in silence. Sui generis means unique. Terra prima means solid ground. Volens means willing. Suppresso veri means suppression of truth. Submodum is within limit. Vice versa means the other way around. So these were the important legal maximum. So you have to remember all of it. Lex aliquanto squator equitum means law sometimes follow equity. Lex est judicium testimido. Doctor means law is the safest word for just. Lex punish. These are the important legal maxims. If you like my video, please like and comment share. Thank you.